Play with Amy and Bella, the Amy Sanchez channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're here with Cece and Ainsley, and today we thought it'd be fun to give them a little bath.
You guys ready to get in the bathtub?
Yeah!
Okay, I will get everything ready. Okay guys, I've got your little bathtub here. Let's fill it up with some water.
Ooh, this is gonna be a cool bath.
This is gonna feel good, guys.
Wow, they look so pretty!
Okay, let's get you guys out of your clothes and then we can get you in the bathtub.
Yay!
Get yours off, Cece.
Get your dress off.
Ainsley, you wanna get in first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's dip your toes in. See how it feels.
Ooh.
How does it feel?
Squishy.
Okay, sit down and we can get Cece in there.
Whoa. That feels cool. I go.
Okay, Cece, let's get you in.
Let's dip your toes in.
Ooh, it's so squishy.
Okay, you guys sit
Whoa,
down.
that feels cool.
All right, let me go get some washcloths for you guys so we can get you
Okay.
clean.
Whoa.
Here, let's get the soap on and wash you guys. Let's wash your little face. There we go. Let's get you some, Ainsley. Let's wash you guys off now.
Oh, this bath feels really cool. Can we pick one like this again?
You sure can. And we have one more surprise for you. Who wants to do a facial mask?
Me, Ainsley says.
Okay, Ainsley, we'll get you one on.
Wait, Mama, does it hurt?
Oh no, it doesn't hurt at all. It just is very relaxing and it feels very cool. Here, let's try it.
Okay.
You just leave it on there and you just relax in the bathtub. Just like that.
Whoa.
You want to try it, Cece?
No,
You don't?
it looks weird.
Yeah, but it is very relaxing.
You should try it, Cece. It feels really cool. No, you look like an alien.
Girls, I'll leave you in for a little bit and then I've got to get you out, okay?
Okay, Mama.
I'll come back and check on you in just a minute.
Okay. Ugh. Ew. You're not supposed to eat it. It's soap. Well, I didn't know that. I thought it would taste like a popsicle.
Ainsley, Cece, let's get you guys out.
Oh, okay.
Come on, let's get you dried off.
Can we do this again?
Yeah.
This was fun.
So we got him out of the bath. Ainsley is in her little robe and it's got little bunnies on it, a little bunny hood. There you go, now you're all warm. Okay, let me get your sister. Okay, Cece, let's get your robe on. Cece's got little donuts all over her robe.
They look yummy.
Oh, they make you hungry?
Yeah.
And her little shirt says, "Donut, wake me up." Y'all are all ready for bed now. So cute. You guys in the bed.
I'm sleepy.
You guys can sleep together tonight. Cozy. Let me get your passies. There you go. Alright guys, I think they're getting sleepy. So we're just gonna let them sleep for a little bit But if you like their bath time, give them a big thumbs up. And we will see you guys next time.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.